How to delete your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to delete your Instagram account, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open up your browser. Now if you are on iPhone, deleting the Instagram account is easier if you're on the app, but for Android users you have to log in from your browser and go to instagram.com. Once you go to instagram.com and log in, just come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Then from here, tap the gear icon from the top left hand side of the screen here. Once you tap the gear icon from the top left, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Well, what you need to do is just go to the option known as help by just scrolling down, going to this help option. And once you come to this help option, tap on the help center button. Once you tap on help center, in the search box just go ahead and type in something similar to delete. Once you type in something like that, just search for the delete account keyword. At the very top you'll find the delete your Instagram account link, so all you have to do is just make sure to tap on delete your Instagram account button. Once you're here, what you want to do is, you can see, to request the permanent deletion of your account from your mobile browser, go to the delete your account page. So just tap on the delete your account option that you can find it here. Once you tap on delete your account option, go ahead and simply make sure to actually select a reason as to why you want to delete it. Confirm with your password. Once you enter your password, tap on the delete this account button, and once you tap on it, your Instagram account is going to remain deactivated for the next 30 days, and if you don't log in within the next 30 days, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. This way you can go ahead and then delete your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.